Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva creatively. We will dive into moving beyond standard templates to craft truly unique visuals. Discover how to combine diverse graphic elements, leverage powerful brand kits for consistency, and experiment with dynamic animation features. Get ready to transform your design approach and unlock Canva's full creative potential. Let's master design elements to elevate your creations. Try layering several images and shapes to add impressive depth to your visuals. Experiment with custom color palettes to achieve a truly distinct aesthetic. Furthermore, manipulate text effects to create strong visual impact, making your messages stand out. You can also integrate external assets for a personalized touch. Now, let's explore dynamic visuals and interactivity. Animate individual elements within your designs to truly bring them to life. You can easily create short video clips, adding smooth transitions and engaging background music. Design interactive presentations with clickable links, enhancing engagement. Finally, export your content in various dynamic formats, including MP4 videos or GIF. Maintaining a consistent brand identity is crucial for professional presence. Develop a comprehensive brand kit, including your logos, brand colors, and preferred fonts. Apply these brand guidelines across all your design projects to ensure uniformity. Utilize the content planner for scheduled posts, streamlining your workflow. You can also collaborate seamlessly with team members on shared designs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.